All right, so today I have a new battery charger from TowerTop. This one is a maximum of 25 amps. This is the Pro model. They do have a couple other models as well. So the other day I did a quick video on a battery. I only had a 5 amp charger, so I decided I needed to get something a little bit stronger in order to charge stuff up. What I really like about this one though is that it does come with several different adapters. One of them is connected to the battery. I'll show that here in just a moment. But we also have a quick connect for a 12-volt adapter for a cigarette lighter. So you can plug stuff in like you would your car, and you just change the setting on here to do 12 volt instead of doing charging. You also do get your alligator clips, and you get a cord with the lugs, so you can connect them straight to the battery. And all we gotta do is quick connect and disconnect in order to charge up a battery. Now I forgot this outside and it did get wet, and we do have a little bit of moisture here on the screen. Hopefully you'll be able to see it okay. But it's going to tell you, please put the clamps on. We don't have anything connected right now. I also forgot to mention, these cords are actually a pretty decent length. So you have the cord that you plug into your AC outlet, and then you have a lengthy cord for your quick connect and disconnect. And with this quick connect, it's just as easy as plugging it in and we're ready to charge it up. And on the screen, we're going to see what the battery percentage is right now. And right now we're set to 15 amps. You could go here. Oh, stop. So you click this, you have auto, so it automatically choose what you need. Then you got 3 amps, so if you want like a trickle charge. You got 15 amps, and then you got 25 amps. I usually go the 25 when I'm doing it. You also have precise or standard mode, whichever one you prefer to use. Also, like I mentioned, you have your DC power. It is going to tell you to check your cables and then press start. You need to put your cigarette lighter cable on there in order for that to work. And then you can change the type of battery. So right now it's set to lithium. You do have your standard, you got your AGMs, you got your gels, and you could also just set to deep cycle, calcium, and I have lithium because that's what I personally use. You could also recondition and fix batteries with it. And then you have an engine start aid. So if you need this to boost and start an engine, you do have that option on here as well. So all we got to do is choose which amperage we want and hit that start. And then it's going to start up and it's going to start charging. It's going to keep track of your battery gauge. It's going to let you know how many amps is currently going out right now. And we're at 13.6 volts. I charge a few batteries up often, so having this quick disconnect is pretty nice. Now this battery gets charged all the time. So this one, I keep that connector on because this one does get charged every couple days at least. And let's go ahead and we'll run over to another battery. All right, next we can come over to my trailer where I got a couple different projects going. Then I got a couple different batteries here. So with the alligator clamps, quick connect. Make sure you put these on the right one. Hit start, and really easy to charge it up. And this one says that's 89%. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to the deep cycle. Then we can get these added on to our other battery. So this one goes through a little bit of a different stage compared to the lithium. There it goes. So right now we're at 14.6 volts and it's charging at 6.2 amps right now. And it's going to be automatic, so it is going to adjust it as you need it for the type of the battery. And right now we're at 90% on this one. Another thing that you could do with these older batteries with this charger, if you got some issues with your battery, you could go to your recondition, desulfation, however you say that, and then it will say battery will repair, and it will count down. I think it says 10 seconds. And then once you get that going, this will do a series of different chargings and different things where it activates cells and it's supposed to fix the batteries and stuff. I don't really understand a lot of it. Right now it says repair completed. This battery is actually pretty decent. But if you are looking for a pretty decent battery charger, this one's from TowerTop, 25 amps maximum. It's pretty lightweight and it will handle all your different types of batteries, AGM, deep cycles, lithiums, everything that you need to do. And it will also repair them if you have issues with that. Has a 12 volt adapter where you can power things 12 volt, and it will even render first aid in order to start your vehicle. Anyway, it's my quick demo. Great battery charger that charges pretty quickly.